Should simple, should continuous, should perfect. In your daily life, usually, you can advise your friend, or you have advice from your friend. For example, you think that it's better for your friend to consult with parents. You can say you should consult with your parents. And if you think that he or she, it's better for him, for her to have breakfast on time, so you can say you should have breakfast on time. You should go now. You should call him now. Even not always having verb, it doesn't always have a verb. It can be only time, place, adjective, or even noun. For example, you should be a doctor. Kamu seharusnya jadi dokter. You should be a teacher. Kamu seharusnya jadi guru. Kan tanpa kata kerja kan? You should be on time. Seharusnya kamu tepat waktu. You should be honest. Kamu seharusnya jujur. You should be polite. Kamu seharusnya sopan. Sedangkan yang paling umum biasanya kata kerja ya. You should go now. You should consult your parents with your parents. You should have breakfast on time. You should do your homework every time your teacher gives you homework. Or you should do your homework on time atau in time. Atau you should do your homework diligently. Kamu seharusnya mengerjakan PR dengan rajin. Kemudian bisa juga not. Seharusnya tidak. You should not talk to him now. Kamu seharusnya tidak bicara dengan dia sekarang. You should not talk about that. Jadi bisa positif, bisa negatif. Kalau bisa lagi dibuat pertanyaan sehingga berlatih untuk bercakap. Should you call him now? Haruskah kau menelpon dia sekarang? Begitu ya. Sekarang yang should yang continuous. Kira-kira bagaimana maksudnya? Artinya sekarang ini seharusnya seseorang melakukan sesuatu, sedang melakukan sesuatu. Seandainya kamu nasihati dia, you should, you should dengan ing tapi harus di SCP be being. You should being. You should be doing your homework. You should be having breakfast now. Jadi apa yang tidak dilakukan sekarang, yang seharusnya dilakukan, gitu ya. Seharusnya dilakukan sekarang tapi tidak dilakukan. Maka kamu beri nasihat. Dia, misalnya, you should doing your homework now. You should be, jangan lupa ya, you should be doing your homework now. You should be typing the proposal now. You should be having breakfast. Harusnya kamu sarapan sekarang. Nanti bisa sakit perut ya kan. You should be reading the novel. You should be reading the book as instructed by the teachers. Sebagaimana perintah guru, seharusnya kamu sekarang sedang membaca. You should be reading the book. You should be reading this chapter. You should be reading page 5. Seharusnya kamu sekarang sedang membaca halaman 5. Bisa di logika ya. Tidak dilakukan sekarang. Harusnya dilakukan. Maka should being. Kemudian yang lain adalah seharusnya dilakukan di waktu yang lampau. Bisa di logika? Bisa dipahami? Kemarin misalnya tidak melakukan ujian dengan baik, tidak mengerjakan dengan baik, atau bahkan gagal ujiannya. Maka should diikuti have. Kenapa have? Karena have itu. Kenapa should? Karena harus, ya, seharusnya. Kenapa have? Karena sudah, ya, sehingga setelah have pasti plus verb 3. Ya, sehingga kamu beri nasihat dia, misalnya dia bilang, aduh, I failed my exam, I didn't do my exam very well, I could not do my exam very well yesterday, I failed, saya gagal, ya. I did many mistakes, ya, saya melakukan banyak kesalahan, ya, atau salah mengerjakan. Kan lampau kan, I did, I could not do, berarti lampau. I failed juga lampau. Nah, kamu beri nasihat dia dengan nasihatnya should have plus verb 3. You should have done the test patiently. Kamu sih cuma 10 menit pergi, seharusnya sabar sampai setengah jam atau bahkan sampai selesai, katakanlah 1,5 jam, ya, 1,5 jam. You should ikuti have plus verb 3, karena have plus verb 3. You should have done the test patiently, dengan sabar. Atau seharusnya kamu belajar kemarin itu, ya. Intinya yang lampau, ya, karena gagalnya juga kemarin, ya. Maka nasihatnya juga seharusnya di saat itu, atau katakanlah sebelumnya belajar. You should have studied. Should have diikuti verb 3. You should have studied. You should have studied very well. Silakan dipelajari, ya. You should have studied. Oke, ya. You should have studied effectively. You should have done it accurately. You should have done it patiently. You should have studied before. Seharusnya kau belajar sebelumnya. You should have check, ya, accurately. Seharusnya kamu cek dulu, ya, misalnya dengan teliti.